I loved my car so much, and now I don't want to drive it anymore because I feel like I'm constantly going to be worried about it being stolen.
I look over, immediately see glass in the ground. I said, okay, it finally happened.
Auto insurance premiums are on the rise across the Queen City and the nation. This comes after a wave of thefts and break-ins, specifically in Hyundai and Kia vehicles. I'm joined now by Chief Business Correspondent Taylor Young. So we've been reporting on this a lot. When did this issue really start?
Yeah, so this really started over a year ago. So we've been covering the uptick in theft right here in Charlotte really since last January. CMPD put out an alert that Kia and Hyundais are being stolen at an alarming rate. We actually spoke to several victims over the last year who say their cars were stolen right from their driveways and would later be found abandoned in either a parking lot or along the side of the road. Now, come to find out, police say these specific types of vehicles became a target of a viral TikTok challenge. These individuals would break a window, remove part of the ignition, and be able to drive off within minutes. Now, police then started handing out those free steering wheel locks to deter thieves from attempting to steal cars. Despite that effort, though, we are still seeing an alarming rate of theft and break-ins here in the Queen City.
And it's such a popular brand of car that it's really scary for anyone who owns it, but it's also impacting car insurance too now.
Yeah, so whether we want to think about it or not, car insurance companies are a business, so they do want to make a profit. And when these companies have the same cars that are constantly, they're having to cover for expenses or completely replace the car for the same types of vehicles, eventually they're going to look at their policies and determine if changes need to be made. So that could either be no longer covering that car on their policies or increasing those premium costs. Now, according to data from Insurify, some Kia and Hyundai models saw a 55% insurance hike since the rise of those thefts. So it's more costs that Americans are having to dish out now on top of, and I know we've covered this in the past, just how much more it is now to get your car fixed. So a lot of extra costs.
You have the fear of the theft and the break-in, and then you have the repairs, and then having the insurance go up. Just kind of a trifecta there.
Absolutely.
Taylor, thanks.